Alright, I'm going to show you how to hook up a wire connector. I mean a tachometer. Excuse me. This tachometer right here. You hook up your red and your green and your white to your fuse box. And then your green wire is what counts the RPMs. So you're going to take your green wire and you're going to come. I got the V6. I don't know if the V8's a little bit different, but my ignition coil is right over my valve cover of my Chevrolet V6 2004. There's the coil, ignition coil, and you run a wire connector to it, and that's how you hook it up. Sorry, I didn't have time to show you the whole thing. I just ran mine like that. I put a wire coating over it to make it look decent. And that's how you hook it up. And let's see if she works. Light come on. That's how you do that. I looked for a video for this and I couldn't find one, so I was gonna make a little half-assed one. But anyway, if that helps, I hope it helps. Thank you for watching.